Since the early 21st century, the gaming industry has become a highly competitive market. While it's still led by these global major companies such as Microsoft Gaming and Tencent Games, we are seeing more independent video games developed by very small teams or even individuals. In these major companies, they can easily have a professional team to analyze the market data and then send those results back to their design, development, or even marketing team. However, many of these indie developers may not know where they should put their limited resources. So we and our storytelling website are here to help them. Today, most of these indie developers choose to publish the games on the platform called Steam. Based on the data from their announced API, we evaluated several factors to answer this question: how can you make your game appealing? First, everybody cares about the genres, and this pie chart shows the genres that are leading in the market right now. This is another yearly genre comparison of the releasing and sales numbers. There's a special finding here that many indie games leading in these numbers are multi-genre. It's always good to learn from your successful peers. Through this word cloud, we hope you can find someone to reach out for ideas and feedbacks. In the next section, we want to look into DLC data, the game's additional contents. With the scatter plot showing the relationship between the game price and DLC numbers, we see that these numbers are very important for a game. But does more always mean better? When comparing the playtime and DLC counts, we see that user playtime did increase when 1 to 5 DLCs are released compared to those who have 0. However, this is not the case when the number goes beyond 5. Then you may want to know what's the good number. Based on its relationship with the positive reviews and reward gaining, we see that having 1 to 2 DLCs is the fair amount that most developers choose to have and get good results. We don't want to miss the money side, so with the following two graphs, we get the result that you may want to set your price around $7. And you don't really want to go beyond 30 because that would dramatically reduce the number of gamers willing to purchase the game. So you should carefully think about the game's cost. Next, we have this waffle chart to show the platform's supported condition. You may see how many games only support Windows, and that means you don't actually need to do cross-platform compatibility. Finally, we did some visualizations that show the review conditions. These most mentioned words can guide developers about what gamers actually care about. We would also like to provide you with an easy comparison of the two picked games with the Metacritic scores being very high and low. This shows you how the metrics would distribute. We concluded all of our analysis and visual results in the end here, so if you don't have enough time browsing through, you may just want this simple takeaway. Hopefully, after following our visualizations or exploring by yourselves with these interactive graphs, you now have a clearer thought on where to start. Thank you and have fun developing and gaming.